Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I went to Burger King. I thought I would do a video. I got that on the app. It was $7 for a Whopper, a small fry, and a small drink. I guess right. And bread and cheese, because I always like cheese on my burgers. So yeah, I'm going to show you. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna add some ketchup, a little extra ketchup. So how are you guys doing today? Sorry, I didn't bring my microphone. I'll try to speak up. I know some people can't hear me. The other day I filmed a really cool video, a Jack and Ox video outside in the dark. There's light. There's like a light from my kitchen so you can still see the food and my face. It looked really good. But as I was watching it later, something happened to like my microphone. I just tapped it and it just, the audio went so low. So I'm trying to edit the video. Hopefully I can save the video. And the last part, the last 5 to 10 minutes, maybe it's like really low volume, you can barely hear me. So I'm hoping I can fix it in the editing. I don't know. I think it's really cool videos outside in the dark. I think I look really good. So, but yeah, let's try this Whopper. Sorry, I'm at work, so you might hear some intercom, but I thought I would just do a video. It actually looks like one of the best Whoppers I had in a long time. Good. So last night I had dinner with my mom. I went to Sizzler, guys. I thought Sizzler's closed, but my mom and my brother went to Sizzler like 3 weeks ago. I was like, Sizzler, I want to go, because I thought they all closed. One of my already closed. They said they got like shrimp and steak or lobster and steak. Oh, that sounds so good. But I decided to get the salad bar. It was like 15 bucks. Kind of expensive, but Sweet Tomatoes actually has a lot better salad bar. And I don't know if they're coming back. My mom says the soup plantation in San Diego area, I think she said they're maybe going to come back. So that'd be really cool if they do come back. It's always nice to have like a really good salad bar, you know. Okay.
Any available salesperson at the front desk, please. Any available salesperson at the front desk, please.
So anyway, go back and save the video. I think I might get a new microphone. Considering it. This one's silver. The same one. There's a few issues with my one I have right now. I dropped it, so it's kind of like bent a little bit. And also there's a button that doesn't work, and I thought maybe I should get a new one. So I'm thinking about it. I'm not sure though. Yeah, we went to Sizzler. It was really good. My mom had barbecue chicken. I'm ready. I've seen it get the salad bar. But the salad bar was pretty good. I might put that on my weekly vlog, but I'm not sure when I'm going to post my weekly vlogs because I'm trying to. I have so much more videos to edit and I'm just so behind. I'm just so behind because I'm busy with Reiki, but it's slowing down, so that's good. mom at Scissor told me last night. She's like, you know what? I know you're at Walmart because you're friends. You'll be sociable. She's like, you know what? I think you should forget the friends. And, you know, I think you need to get a job with more money. And I was like, that sounds like a great idea, actually. People do get upset when I talk about quitting Walmart, so I'm not going to really talk about that. But I'll stay at Walmart for a while, but we'll see what happens. But there's shops that I can probably make more money with tips. We even talked about becoming a waitress at Walmart. You know, if people want to steak and shrimp, that's expensive. You might get big tips, you know, I don't know. But yeah. So, if you guys are in the California area or in the Bay Area, you'll know that, you should know, there's a serial killer on the loose. He can kill like 6 people already in Stockton. Thank God I don't live in Stockton, that would be freaky. And there's a YouTuber that lives in Stockton. Yeah, thank God my mom doesn't live in Stockton. This is not in my area, but it's a little bit freaky. From what I read, he kills people with a gun, and one girl survived. She had like 6, 7 shots. They took all the shots out of her, all the bullets out of her. So I was like, wow, so she survived. So hopefully they can trace him somehow. I'm sorry, I brought a list of what's about I need to talk to you about. So I'm looking at my list right now. McDonald's has a new adult Happy Meal. I'm so excited for that. Oh my God, I'm so excited. These fries are fresh, hot. Some people are saying it's like around $12, but I don't know. I'm gonna see how much. I'll probably get it next time I go to McDonald's, but it's limited time only, so I probably won't wait too long. But I really want to do that. I'm excited because you get a toy and it's just so cute. You can keep it forever, you know. The little McDonald's little toy things. I'm excited for that, honestly. But people are just like saying it's not worth it. I'm like, yeah, it may not be worth it, the price, not all the time, but just to get that toy would be worth it. So.
Joel Whitmer now 137. Joel 137, please.
So that video is coming. I haven't done it yet, but hopefully soon. I think that's all I need to talk to you about that was going on with me, you know, during the week, you know. I just really hope this Jack in the Box video turns out okay. The audio at the very end, I don't know. I was reading some, you know, reviews on the Blue Yeti, because I might get a new Blue Yeti microphone. Sorry. I might get a new buddy microphone. I was checking the reviews on Amazon. Someone says if you lightly just tap it, the audio screws up, and that's what happened when I did that video at Jack in the Box. So I hadn't even checked the microphone to see if it's okay or not. I hope it's still good, because if not, I really do have to get a new microphone. So, oh wow. They did a pretty good job making this, like a lot of produce. I just wish the burger itself was more hotter. It's like Whoppers, they're not very, the burger's not very hot. Like versus Jack in the Box. Speaking of Jack in the Box, my mom went there the other day. She's like, you guys might be surprised she likes Jack in the Box more than In-N-Out. I was like, wow. I'm going to be doing some giveaways on this channel. In fact, if the Jack in the Box video comes out, okay, I just talk about doing a giveaway on that video. So hopefully, so if you want to win some giveaways, start watching my videos. And I just paid, kind of expensive, but I just paid my P.O. Box rental renewal fee. Normally I pay 6 months, but I decided to do a year this time because I always forget. And one time I actually was late that they closed my account. I couldn't even use my key. So I'm just gonna do a year, so I paid $200. Kind of expensive, but I think it's good to have a backup. You know, if Amazon doesn't work out, Amazon Locker or whatever, you know. Where I live, sometimes my mail gets stolen, so that's such another option too, you know. I finally got my driver's license, so that's good. Before going to the DMV, I wanted to see if I can find it, so it took me a while to actually get one, but I was like, you know what? I mean, I did have a copy of my license on my phone, and I did have an expired one, but I lost the one that doesn't expire. And I was like, you know what? Let me see if I can find it. So I just took, I looked everywhere in my house, or my trunk, a few places like Safeway and the laundromat, they didn't have it. I didn't want to get the World ID. I mean, I know when I eventually need it, but I wasn't sure if I needed glasses. I haven't taken an eye test in a while, so I wasn't sure about that. This is what the girl told me at DMV. She said, I do not need to take an eye test, only when my driver's license expires. That's what she told me. Let me know, you know, if you experience different things, but I know, well, I might as well get my real ID. So can I get my real ID instead? She said, well, you gave me documentation. Like, well, what I need? She said, well, you need a birth certificate or a passport, and then you need at least one mail, like a bill from your mail, from your home address or something like that. Hey, well, I don't have my, I don't even know if I have my birth certificate. I had to find if I have my birth certificate. If I don't, I know I don't have passport, so it's gonna, yeah. So I didn't get the real ID, but I did get at least I got my other ID, and it doesn't expire until 2025, so I'm good. Don't know if I will be, this bread's kind of getting wet. I don't know if I'll be traveling soon. I might go to Lake Tahoe soon, which is like a road trip. But yeah, I don't really know if I'm gonna be on plane soon. but I thought pickle was sour. But you know, I prefer road trips anyway, so. Sure, a small fry as well. I don't want to make this video too long because I'm going to try to process it on my phone. So we'll see how that goes. But a little short video, guys, about my week and what I've been doing. I'll try to get back to my weekly vlog. I've just been very busy with my mom, my brother, my sister, my nephew, my 4 jobs now. Apparently, I just busy. But I hope you guys understand that I've been really busy. But if you want to reach out to me, you can write me on my email, Karen777@yahoo.com, or my Instagram account, Karebear Eats, and I'll see you next video. Peace.